This is the Florida Health Care Association Provider Program, brought to you by Brouchard Insurance.
Hi, I'm Emmett Reed, Executive Director of Florida Health Care Association. Welcome to another edition of FHCA's Provider Program. It's week 2 of the legislative session, and FHCA is continuing its work at the Capitol on our legislative priorities. We were joined by over 75 members from Consulate Health Care, the Florida Leaders Program, FHCA's Legislative Committee, and the Florida Health Care Activity Coordinators Association, who helped us kick off our Lobby Wednesdays. Several of FHCA's volunteer leaders, along with members who have been making the trip to Tallahassee for several years now, shared thoughts about their meetings this week.
We're here today for the first lobby day where a whole gang of us are going to be going into these offices here, and we're going to be talking to state senators and representatives and letting them know what Florida Health Care Association's agenda is for this year's legislative session. It's a great time. We put over 500 and some people here last year. We're going to break that record this year, and it's just really a great way to start off. We got Florida leaders here. We got several companies here. Florida Health Care Association really does rock.
Today has been a very successful day so far, and I have a couple more appointments to make, but just getting out, visiting with the legislators, sharing the interest that we have in our industry and the bills that we're supporting and asking for their support.
We need to let them know what we as nursing facilities do every single day. We need to let them know about the thousands of people that we take care of, the need to get funding so we can put the type of staffing and assistance that is necessary to run our buildings at the highest level, because these are the most important people that we have.
This important grassroots initiative is sponsored by Brouchard Insurance and Consulate Health Care and Development. And I had the opportunity to catch up with Amy Quattlebaum from Kotler to thank her for their support. Amy, I understand that not only are you co-sponsoring Lobby Wednesdays, but you're an active participant. What do you have planned for today?
Well, we've got quite a busy schedule. We're actually listening to some bills that are being presented in the Senate right now, and we've scheduled some appointments with some representatives as well as some senators later this afternoon so that we can bring the advocacy platforms that the Florida Health Care Association has brought forth and make our voices heard, especially within our local community.
All right, so from the fourth floor with Amy Quattlebaum and Consulate Health Care, we look forward to the next Lobby Wednesdays, and thanks for your sponsorship.
Absolutely, Emmett. Thank you.
We've already seen several of the bills we're tracking pass favorably out of committee this week. Senate Bill 768, which requires hospitals to give consumers advance notice about their admission status, passed favorably out of the Senate Health Policy this week. A key priority for FHCA, this good bill will help protect seniors from unexpected medical bills. Also advancing was Senate Bill 7018, related to the State Ombudsman Program. FHCA is watching this bill closely as it contains our recommended language relating to Gold Seal applicants. Assisted living facility reform is being addressed by the legislature again this year. Both Senator Sobel and Representative Ahern's bills passed out of their respective committees this week, with provisions similar to those we saw in last year's bills. As always, we appreciate our members' involvement in our legislative activities. Your personal stories about your residents and the care you are delivering makes a lasting impression on lawmakers and will help when they're making decisions over Medicaid funding, regulations, and so much more. We look forward to seeing more of you in the weeks to come as our Lobby Wednesdays continue. Remember, our new Engage Long-Term Care Advocacy website will keep you up to date on what's happening here in Tallahassee. Until next time, I'm Emmett Reed, keeping you informed about the critical issues that impact long-term care and the providers we represent.